Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making cookie ice cream sandwiches. So here are all the ingredients we'll be needing. We have our hand mixer, some extract, some baking powder, some brown sugar, 2 bowls, 2 eggs, some salt, some baking soda, some measuring cups, some butter, some sugar, flour, chocolate chips, and if you need a scale. So let's get started. So we got our oven preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we have our baking tray with our silicone mat on it. So that's where we'll be lining our cookies with. So now we actually added 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt in there. Now we're going to put this dry mixture aside. Now we're going to get this big bowl. We're going to cream 1 cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar. So after we put the butter and sugar, we're going to cream it. We're using a hand mixer. I suggest using a mixer or a hand mixer, but you can always do it by hand, but it might take longer. Now we're going to add in our 2 eggs. Now we're going to add in some extract. You can use any extract of your choice, but we recommend vanilla, but today we only have almonds. So today we'll be using almond. Okay. After we beat that, we're going to be adding our dry mixer, which is this bowl. So we're basically combining the wet and dry ingredients. And now we're going to be beating them together. So this is what our dough likes, mixing all the ingredients. Now we just need to add some chocolate chips. For this step, you can always use a mixer, but we're going to do it by hands just in case we don't over mix our batter. Cookies. Now we're going to put the cookies on a plate. So we got our cookies now. We're going to put some ice cream in between two to make ice cream sandwiches.
gonna do all of them? I want to have like a few bites.
No, let's do 2 for now. So this is the grand finale. Cookie ice cream cookie. Let's eat.
Hold on.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. And have a great day. Bye!